Look at this. Oh, that purse is nice. My first time ever seeing these buttons. These are armor. Look at that. What brand is this thing? Oh my God. Oh, look at that old fan. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. Oh my God. Holy shit. Bro, this thing is sick. Look at this thing. This is amazing. B is locked. We're taking another ride on this thing. Holy shit, this is fucking amazing. This is sick. Look at this old cab. I love, oh my God, it's got a fucking popcorn ceiling. This is fucking amazing. I love this thing so much. Look at that, we got the old door open. This is sick! Okay, this is the fucking, one of the coolest elevators I've found so far. This is the coolest hydro I've found here so far, by far. Oh my God. This thing is impeccable. Holy shit.